Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be showing you how you can get paid by Teepublic. So if you're a creator, you can sell April and March on Teepublic. All you need to do is you just have to create a design, upload it to Teepublic, and then Teepublic will generate mockups for your image or artwork on different items like t-shirts, hoodies, wall art, mugs, pillows, all that. So to get paid by Teepublic, there are two ways Teepublic pays. It's either using PayPal or Pioneer. So before you sign up for Teepublic, make sure that PayPal works in your country and Pioneer also works in your country. So you need to have a PayPal account and also you need to have a Pioneer account. So I'm going to link in the description how you can create a Pioneer account. In my case, I use Pioneer. So how do you get paid? How do you link your account? So what you do, you go to your account, you go to account settings, and then you scroll all the way down and you'll see here payments. So when you're here in payments, how would you like to get paid? If PayPal works, you can check on PayPal and put your PayPal email address. If it doesn't, for example, in my case, PayPal does not work in my country. So I chose Pioneer and I put my Pioneer email address. You want to make sure you already have an existing Pioneer account so that when you get your money, it will be directly sent to your Pioneer account. So that's all. So once you link your email address, all the payments will directly go to your Pioneer account, and then from Pioneer you can withdraw your money from there. That's all.